Yo Rosie.
Caillou, what the fuck do you want?
Pull your panties up your asshole, little sis. There are cookies in that microwave. Go inside and get them.
Hell yeah, motherfucker, cookies.
Rosie is getting burned in the microwave. Holy freaking shit, I think that is gonna blow. I better take cover fast. Holy shit, hahaha. Rosie, you look like a burnt pile of shit, LMFAO.
Caillou, how dare you microwave Rosie and destroy my kitchen? This is by far the worst thing you have ever done. That's it. You are grounded for 529295294923582952236602966936662 years. Go to your room right now.
What?